Good day, everyone. Learn how to reset your mouse settings in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If you have got any issues with the mouse and you want to make it restore back to defaults, you can do that, and it is very easy to do so. So firstly, in the search icon, we need to type mouse, and the best match will be mouse settings. Once you click on that, you will have a window like this where you can change the mouse pointer speeds, enhance pointer precision, and other things as well. But since we just want to reset the mouse, then we just need to click on this additional mouse settings. The moment you click on that, you will have a window like this: mouse properties, buttons, and pointers. So we need to click on this pointers, and then here we have this use default. So we will click on use default, and we will click on apply, and we will click on OK, and here we go. We have successfully done the reset in the mouse, and this is how you can reset your mouse. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Take care.